Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sharpen video in Premiere Pro. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Premiere Pro app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the target media file into the software from the bottom left corner. Once done, drag it over to the editing timeline. Once done, go over to Effects tab from the top and search for Sharpen. After that, add it to your clip by dragging it onto your video. Now, if we go over to Effect Controls and increase the sharpen amount, we can clearly see it getting sharper, but it also introduces these ugly pixel artifacts that you can see. A much better way is to go over to Effects, find the Unsharp Mask effect, and add it to your video. Now go back over to Effect Controls and scroll down to the Mask effect. I found the best value to be setting the amount to 50 and the radius to 25. This will sharpen your image enough without those ugly artifacts. So that's basically how you can sharpen video in Premiere Pro. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.